A lot of famous people are observed traveling with a bottle of black alkaline water to their gyms or even just for style at the airport. Black water isn't only water that has an odd shade of black, despite the fact that it may appear like an odd way to stay hydrated. There is more involved. The black water trend is sweeping the industry thanks to celebrities like Malaika Arora, Karishma Kapoor, Manish Malhotra, and Virat Kohli who have been spotted with a bottle of water. You must be thinking what makes it unique and whether our ordinary mineral water isn't adequate. So let's look into it.
Black alkaline water, what is it? 70% of the human body is made up of water, the miracle potion of life. It is engaged in vital bodily processes like toxin removal, blood pressure regulation, joint lubrication, and other biochemical processes. Blood, digestive juices, cerebrospinal fluid, lymph, and saliva are just a few physiological fluids that include water. Drinking enough water will keep you hydrated, but dehydration can affect your performance and disrupt your body's metabolic and neurological processes. Inorganic salts are generally present in water, however the more salt present, the more alkaline the water is. Magnesium, calcium, sodium, and potassium are among the minerals found in black water and black water that is alkaline. The pH of alkaline water is higher and often between 8 and 9. Studies have been done to determine the advantages of consuming black water. Chronic diarrhea, digestive issues like hyperacidity, indigestion, and aberrant intestinal fermentation, bone and heart health, and diabetes have all been successfully treated with alkaline water. Because alkaline electrolyzed water has beneficial effects on health and well-being, it is employed as a medical device. Alkaline beverage has a pH of 8 or higher, is fortified with a number of important minerals, and contains neither sugar nor caffeine.
What advantages do black waters offer? Numerous researchers have investigated and reported on the advantages of black alkaline water. Hydration, detoxification, anti-aging qualities, enhancing bone and intestinal health, and many more advantages have been reported from animal studies and a small number of human studies. After exercise-induced dehydration, alkaline black water can lower blood viscosity. A study examined the impact of ordinary water and black alkaline or high pH water on blood viscosity and rehydration. Black water was found to dramatically lower blood viscosity during the recovery phase following exercise, but rehydration had no effect. Black water extends life and delays aging. According to research on animals, alkaline water increases survival abilities while slowing down the aging process by lowering HbA1c and blood glucose levels. Drinking alkaline water can be helpful for those with diabetes. Alkaline water is advantageous in treating diabetes because it has antioxidant capabilities against pancreatic beta cells. The antioxidants in the area could have neuroprotective effects as well. Alkaline water consumption has also been linked to reports of toxins being removed from the body, gallbladder emptying prevention, and gastric acid secretion prevention. The alkaline nature of black water aids in regulating acid reflux by lowering the activity of the enzymes that cause it. Alkaline water, even more natural artesian water, pH 8.8, destroyed human pepsin, according to a study. Bone health may benefit from drinking black water. It aids in preventing bone loss and consequently plays a crucial role in osteoporosis. Additionally, it might promote metabolism. Consuming alkaline water shows positive impacts on exercise in healthy people. Getting more restful sleep after drinking alkaline water may help with endurance recovery, stave off weariness, and enhance athletic performance. Even though a number of health advantages have been noted, more human trials are necessary for definitive findings.
What drawbacks does black water possess? There are a number of advantages to drinking alkaline water, according to studies, but there are also negative impacts that should not be overlooked. Confusion, nausea, vomiting, and a changed pH level, alkalosis, are all side effects of this beverage. According to certain accounts, adverse effects could result from excessive consumption. Black water consumption in rats shown that it could cause heart cell death and hinder development. The consumption of black water, according to some studies, may influence the pH of the urine but is less likely to affect the blood. Promoter claims that switching to alkaline-based foods, supplements, and alkalized water will provide health benefits such reducing cancer, heart disease, and osteoporosis by switching to alkaline-based food options, supplements, and alkalized water. However, the same is not backed up by any reliable clinical study. To final sum up, we conclude that to maintain the body's water balance, it's imperative to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Consuming black water has been linked to both positive and negative health impacts, according to studies. Alkaline water consumption has been linked to positive health effects in research, but since there aren't many trustworthy studies on the effects of drinking black alkaline water on humans, it's best to get advice from a professional before using it.
Please smash the like button now and support us by clicking the subscribe button with the bell notification. Please do share and comment your views to understand you better. Thank you. Cheers.